What up, everybody? This is Dramatic Fanatic, and tonight I'm doing a little something different. I'm not uploading a video of me gaming or anything. I'm just I want to show you what a Flex Seal, this is Flex Seal right here, and it's gray. Matter of fact, I'll show you me spraying some of this Flex Seal onto the bed of my truck. I think I'm missing a little spot there. This is what you call a DIY bed liner. Do-it-yourself bed liner. And the reason I say that is because when I bought this truck, was it 4 months ago? It had this bed was scratched up. I should have took a picture of it, of what it looked like. What I did is I sanded it down. I took a wire brush to it, a wire wheel to it, and then hand sanded it in a few places that I couldn't reach with my sander. And then I painted it. I painted it white with some Rust-Oleum 2-in-1 paint plus primer. That's what that Rust-Oleum was. It was the Rust-Oleum 2-in-1. Matter of fact, here it is right here. This is some very, very good paint. Matter of fact, let me put a light on it just in case you guys ever want to try this. I mean, my bed, it looks amazing. All right, some Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover paint and primer. Just find the color of your vehicle. My vehicle is white. You can't really see it right now because I got everything taped off. But yeah, I got a Ford Ranger, 2010 Ford Ranger, and I had an old rusty bed. I mean, it even had a couple holes in it. I had to take some JB Weld and fill in the holes. What they did is they took a bed off a 2005 Ford Ranger and put it on this vehicle. Give you a close-up shot. I mean, it looks beautiful compared to what it looked like. And now it ain't gonna get no scratches because I have Flex Seal. This stuff is awesome. It's a liquid rubber sealant coating. My bed will be freaking waterproof now. Let me give you a close-up of what it looks like kind of with the light. Right now it's still drying. But yeah, I mean, it looks beautiful. There's a couple rough spots. There's one right there where they had the glue from the old bed liner. They ripped it out, and then they put this old bed on this truck. So I ended up getting a deal on it because I knew, well, hey, I can go ahead and fix it, you know. So as of now, it looks decent. I'll give you another shot when I wake up in the morning after it's dried. Before I go to work, I'm gonna take all this plastic and all this. Actually, that right there is tar paper that you put on the roof. Blackboard, not blackboard, but black paper you put on the roof before you put the shingles on. That's what that is right there. But that right there is just plastic. Some old plastic I had in the shed. I took and wrapped it around here. Took and taped it up real good all the way down. I made a line with some tape. I measured everything, marked it, made a line with some tape. That way I got completely straight lines wherever I wanted them. But yeah, that's a DIY bed liner. And it's made out of Flex Seal. I may have to put another coat on it, you know, later on. Let me give you another shot of how it looks here. Yeah, see, it looks great compared to what it looked like. Matter of fact, I think it might even just look really good. It might. This is a decent idea that I had, and I'm sure other people have done it, but I'm just kind of showing you. All you gotta do is sand it down, get the rust off, seal up any holes. You can put a coat of paint on there before you do this. That way you don't have any rust or anything showing through, or any dark spots where you sanded showing through. But yeah, that's how you do it. You got any questions or comments, just leave them down in the section below. And this is Dramatic out. It's getting late. I gotta get some sleep. Alright, y'all have a good one. Peace.